You guys hear that? That's the sound of a diesel. Not just any diesel, you might say. A 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel in this absolute monster. This is an F-350 Limited, the top of the line. Now, I know you're probably asking yourself, how do you get into this bad boy? So you got these sweet power deployable running boards with the 10-inch lift though. That makes it the average height of a Olympic diving board. So I mean, call it whatever you please, right? As well in this truck, we have heated seats, front and rear, cooled seats, massaging seats, lane keep, adaptive cruise control, panoramic sunroof. What else? This truck isn't missing a single feature. It's absolutely insane. It does have the FX4 package, so we do have skid plates. We do have off-road tuned shock absorbers, and then we have these big, meaty, MT mud terrain tires to go with a powered liftgate, remote start, everything. It's your luxury. It's the off-road vehicle. There's not anything that this thing is missing. Give me a call, 519-770-9504, or email me at rhaddle, that's R-H-A-D, at R-H-A-D-A-L-L at northway.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.